Imagine you want to start a business shipping packages. In the old days, you would have to buy a massive truck, pay for a garage, hire a mechanic, and pay for fuel before you even shipped a single box. This is exactly how computers used to work for companies. They had to buy expensive servers, rent a cold room, and hire an IT team just to run their website. If nobody visited the website, that expensive equipment just sat there, wasting money. Now imagine instead of buying the truck, you could just rent a taxi whenever you had a package to deliver. If you have one package, you pay for one taxi. If you have 0 packages, you pay 0. This is Microsoft Azure. It is a massive collection of servers and computers owned by Microsoft that you can rent over the internet. You don't own the hardware, you just pay for what you use, like a utility bill for electricity or water. Think of Azure like a pizza shop. On a Friday night, the shop is busy, so they turn on all 5 ovens. On a Tuesday morning, it is quiet, so they only use 1 oven. In the computer world, we call this scalability. If your website suddenly goes viral and gets 1 million visitors, Azure automatically adds more ovens or computing power to handle the rush. When the visitors leave, it scales back down so you don't pay for power you aren't using. But is it safe? Microsoft Azure spends billions of dollars on security. It has digital locks, guards, and firewalls that are much stronger than what a small company could build on their own. Plus, Azure has data centers all over the world. This means if your customers are in London, you can run your website from a server in London, making it load super fast. So, in simple terms, Microsoft Azure is a service that lets you rent supercomputers, huge hard drives, and smart tools over the internet. It saves you money, keeps your data safe, and lets you focus on your ideas instead of fixing broken wires.